This is how we are in the night. This is Coco, my tripod cat. She is unwanted cat. She's being given to me. And this one is Chakarurai, my senior black cat. And this one is my new adopted princess. She's scared to come here in our bed because Coco will fight her. And we are preparing to sleep now. This is how we are. And Coco, she slept well. Beside me is Chasey. Chasey is also a stray cat. She used to come inside my house for feeding. But then, she didn't go out anymore. So I adopted her.
My tripod
That's
cat.
how Chasey became a regular household member of my house.
Coco.
So I have 4 cats inside my room. We are now
Sleep
preparing
si
to
Coco.
sleep.
Oh, baby ko yan, baby.
And I wish all cats are like Coco.
Sana lahat ng pusa
Sleeping
gagaya
well.
mo.
Having a
Nakakatulog ng
nice bed.
mahimbing, masarap. Aray ko,
And
aray.
si Chaka, she wants to cuddle.
Baby.
Oh,
Si
she
Chaka
is
naman
ruining
eh.
my video.
Oh, tingnan mo. Cuddle, cuddle,
Chaka is
cuddle.
a very sweet senior cat.
Cuddle.
She loves to be with me beside me. She's so
Camera.
clingy. Now see,
Duna. Coco.
Coco was
Why?
about to leave the bed.
Nagising ka. What
And I told her
happened?
we're about to sleep. Good night.